Hi, today we're going to have a good time. We're going to smoke a tri-tip roast on the Traeger smoker here. So I lit the Traeger smoker and then I've been letting it preheat at 180. I'm going to smoke this tri-tip for about 3 hours or so, and then at that point we'll change it up and wrap it in foil or stuff. But what I did is I seen this marinade in a bag at the store the other day, so I picked this up, JL Craft Smoky Mesquite marinade in a bag. So it's been marinating in this in the fridge for about an hour, and then I put some Traeger beef rub on it. So that's all we're going to do. Let me set this here, and so I'm just going to leave this on 180, and we'll smoke this for about 3 hours. Yeah, that smells good. Oh, that looks delicious already. So there we go. We'll just let it smoke for about 3 hours. Maybe we'll take a peek about at the hour-and-a-half mark or 2 hour mark just to see how things are going, and then we'll go from there. So we'll see you back. Okay, let's check this tri-tip. It's been smoking for about an hour. So we've done the mesquite marinade. I have mesquite pellets in the smoker too. Yeah, it's looking pretty good. We'll just let it do its thing for a couple more hours, and then we'll go to the next step. Well, yeah, let's give it another hour or so, and then we'll check it again. So we'll see. Okay, it's been another hour, so it's been smoking for 2 hours total. I'm going to check the temperature this time. Let's take a look. See how we're doing here. Yeah, that smells good. It's going up. Smells pretty dang good. 120. So yeah, it's doing good. It's cooking faster than I thought, but that's okay. Maybe we get ready, and I'm gonna wrap it in tin foil for a little bit. So I think it's 125. I want to pull it off just shy of, I think, 140 and let it rest, so we hit about 145, a medium, maybe a little medium rare. So I'm going to go ahead and go get the tin foil and stuff ready, and we'll go ahead and wrap it and go to the next part. So let's all see you back. Okay, let's pull this off and wrap it in tin foil. I'm going to turn the smoker up to 350 also, so let's crank this up. Good. Actually, I want to put a little bit of water in there, so let's cut the video, and I'm going to go get just a little flash water, and we'll be right back. Here we go. I just want to add just a little bit of water, and that'll get it some moisture going in the, just like a quarter cup or so, like that. Then I'm going to put my temperature probe in. Like I said, we'll pull this at about 138 to 140, and then we'll let it rest inside for 10 or 15 minutes. So let's set this back in here. I got it on 350. I'll hook my temperature probe up and we'll let it cook. So we'll see you back shortly. Okay, we're ready to pull it off. It's around 140, so let's pull it off. Yeah, let's take a look at it. Oh, look at that. It's pretty dang good. And I'm going to set it on the wood cutting board. And we'll take it inside and let it rest 5 or 10 minutes. So there you go. We'll see you inside. Okay, it's been resting about 10 or 15 minutes, so let's cut into this tri-tip. It smells delicious. Oh, that's tender. Kind of give you a better look. Look at that. Perfect. This is where I was getting the temperature readings in this thickest part, but oh, that's good. You can cut that with a butter knife. I'm going to try this out. Yummy. That is so good. So, let me chew this up. So we smoked it for about 2 hours at 180, and then I wrapped it in the tin foil at 350, and I cooked it for about 30 or 40 minutes. So it cooked quick. So, oh man, that has good flavor. So now we're getting our sides ready. We'll get the rest of the dish ready for dinner, and there you go. Tri-tip steak. Is it a steak, Jenny? Tri-tip. Just tri-tip, huh? Tri-tip on the Traeger smoker. So hope you like this video. We'll see you next time.